大家好. Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you 4 super useful ways to add emphasis when you speak. Get ready to unlock 4 powerful emphasis structures to make your meaning super strong. These will level up your Chinese and make everything you say sound more powerful. Let's get started. In Chinese, lian is used to show that something is surprising, like saying, even a child knows how to use a mobile phone using the lian or dou structure. Dou means all or both, and it is used to emphasize the entirety of something. The sentence 现在连小孩都会用手提电话 implies the use of mobile phone is so widespread that even young children know how to use them. Now let us take a look at some grammatical points when using 连 dou structure. Number 1, the object in a 连 dou sentence can be words or phrases. For example, it can be a noun in between 连 dou, 连小孩都会用. Even children can use it. You can also place a pronoun in between 连 dou, 连他都不敢去. Even he doesn't dare to go. You can also use a verb in between 连吃都不敢吃 does not even dare to eat. Or a locality phrase 连房里 a location 房里都找遍了 even search everywhere in the room. You can also use a quantitative phrases. For example, 房里连一个人都没有一个 There's not even one person in the room. Number 2, the thing or individual you want to emphasize must be placed between 连 dou. For example, 这地方偏僻的连他都不想去 This place is so remote that even he doesn't want to go there. This suggests that the place is so far and isolated that even he, who is usually okay with traveling, does not want to go. 丽丽做的蛋糕，连彼得都喜欢吃。Even Peter likes to eat the cake Lily made. This implies that the cake made by Lily is so nice that Peter, who doesn't really like cakes, likes eating it. Number 3, when the object after lian is a verb or verb phrase, the predicate or end sentence is normally a negative sentence or verb related to forget. For example, 他忙得连午饭都忘了吃. She was so busy that she even forgot to eat lunch. 他忙得连午饭都没时间吃. She was so busy that she didn't even have time to eat lunch. Number 4, when using this sentence structure, you cannot omit 都. For example, 他忙得连午饭都忘了吃. You cannot say 他忙得连午饭忘了吃. This is incorrect. The word 吃 is often used in Chinese to emphasize something, especially when highlighting a contrast or key point. It is commonly used as a focus marker. Using 是 to emphasize a fact. For example, 一年是365天. There are 365 days in a year. So 是 here is to emphasize that a year has 365 days and not 367 or 368 days. 巴黎是法国的首都. Paris is the capital of France. This is a fact. You can also use 是 to highlight a contrast. For example, 我是请了假，但不是去度假. I did take leave, but it was not for a vacation. The first 是 stated the fact that the speaker did indeed take leave, but the leave was not for the purpose of going on vacation. This construction highlights the contrast between what might be assumed going on vacation and the actual reason for taking leave. The third way to use 是 is to place it before the negative verbs to emphasize the negative fact. 他是不会写汉字. This is to emphasize the fact that he really doesn't know how to write Chinese characters. 小明是不知道他错在哪里. Xiaoming doesn't know where he is wrong, meaning he actually doesn't know and not pretending not to know. The character 就 can also be used in Chinese to add emphasis. It can show certainty, urgency, or strongly affirm a statement. Number 1. Emphasizing the meaning of precisely. 小明就是要和丽丽坐在一起. 就是 emphasizes Xiaoming's strong desire to sit with Lily, making it clear that this is what he wants with no other options. 你喜欢的蛋糕就是在这间店买的. In this sentence, 就是 emphasizes that it is precisely this store where the favorite cake was purchased, leaving no doubt where it came from. Number 2, emphasizing immediately or at once. 你要的东西我就给你找去. 就 indicates that the speaker is willing to find the item right away or without delay. 你好了没有？就来就来，别再催了。就 over here emphasizes the immediacy and promptness of the action. It conveys that the speaker is about to come right away. Number 3, emphasize the meaning of only, and the predicate verb often has numerals. For example, 听说你要出国，就去2-3天. I heard you're going abroad, only for 2 or 3 days. In this sentence, 就 emphasizes the duration of the trip is short and should not be considered a significant or lengthy departure. 他就吃了一口饭便出去做事。一口饭 literally means one mouth. He took only a little food and then went out to work. In this sentence, 就 emphasizes that he ate quickly and little to imply that he is very busy with his work. Double negation structures like 不 something 不, 没有 something 不, and 不 something 没有 are used in Chinese to emphasize affirmation, highlighting the certainty or truth of a statement. 因为妈妈生气了，小明不得不赶快去做功课。不得不 emphasizes that Xiao Ming has no other choice but to go do his homework because his mother is angry. 彼得不能不答应玛丽的请求。This sentence emphasizes that Peter feels compelled or has no choice but to agree to Mary's request. 家里面没有不怕妈妈的。The double negative 没有不怕 translates to there is no one who isn't afraid, which emphasizes that everyone at home is afraid of mom. This implies that mom is an authoritative figure in the family and everyone fears her. 他没有不敢说的话。He has nothing he dares not say. That means he says anything he wants. 厨房里不能没有盐、糖和醋。The kitchen cannot be without salt, sugar, and vinegar. This emphasizes that salt, sugar, and vinegar are very important items in the kitchen. 鱼不能没有水。Fish cannot live without water. That is all we have for you today. Let us know what you think about this video. Leave a comment and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you.